Show you how to remove the door handle on your 2015 and up F-Series trucks. That's your F-150, 250, 350 and on. First step is to remove the door panel. You can see that in the door panel removal video. After that, you are going to want to take a pick or screwdriver of some kind, slide that, remove this guy gently. You're going to want to peel down your door skin here, hang that out of the way, and inside the door you can see there are two 10mm bolts, or nuts. One is under this here. You're going to want to remove those and the 10mm in there. To do that, any 10mm in there and remove. Go. Once you've removed your 10mm bolt from here, you want to use a ratchet with a shallow or semi-shallow 10mm socket, and you want to find your two 10mm nuts in here and remove. Your first one, it will look like that. And the second one fell. Now on your doors with the smart key lock, you will need to remove a clip from here and disconnect it, but this model does not have that. Once you've removed all the two screws and the one bolt from the door handle, you're going to want to pull it out from this way and then slide it out like that. On the driver's door only, you're going to need to lift up on that and the bottom one at the same time. I usually lift up on one, apply pressure, and then get the second one. Try not to stab yourself. Once you're like that, you will see this is clipped into this hole here. You're going to want to get your pick in there, press that down and pull, and the same on this side. Wiggle that out and remove. And that is removing the door handle on your 2015 and up F-Series.